Yo, Rubicon's putting in work this weekend. Especially with that taco-tail. The taco-tail. Looks like everybody's ready. Let's go. Look familiar? Does it look familiar? Híjole.
No.
Not at all?
Huh?
Not at all?
Not really.
You don't remember a certain Can-Am wheel popping off over here?
Oh, this is it?
This is it.
Oh, damn.
This was it. We took a trail off in over here to the left somewhere. That's whenever Nathan said, hey, my battery's low, and then turned his razor off. Because that's the whole reason we had to tow him.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, y'all, my battery's low. Click. God dang it, Nathan. Good times. Said you wanted a picture of you stuck. Try to lift up on the back. Lift up on the back. There you go. Very nice. Again? Yeah, he got stuck again. Yeah. I think he got it.
Just Nathan.
You don't think he's got it right there? Just right through?
Yeah.
I don't know what it's like right here. Hey Nate, I think you got it. Just go ahead and hook up your strap to the front and put it inside the cab. That way if you get stuck, we can come get you. We'll see how badass that famous RZR is. That thing is pretty badass.
Yeah. Not literally.
Yeah, I know. That thing's been going through pretty much everything.
Turn into it.
There you go.
Turn the wheel.
Turn to the right. Yeah, there you go. You're crawling.
Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Other way.
Just keep rocking it. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna give you a little. Yeah. You ready? Hey, where your seats at? Oh, God dang. You're good, you're good. Sergio, you're up, buddy. Yeah, I think this left road's nice. Yeah.
Just the best to get.
Oh, shit. I'm good. Just trying to find a. There we go. Yeah, I would ride the rut. I mean, I think.
Probably this side right here. It drops off like that at angle.
I think as long as you ride the rut and lean it more to the left, because you can push off that. You can push.
I was thinking if I stay close to the left.
But if you slide in, you might.
It's gonna tip over.
Yeah, you might get a little wonky. I would just bring it right over, but keep more weight to your left side. And we'll be right here to keep you from going over. Hold on.
Right there? No, more over, more. More? Because it goes on the sideways.
Oh shit.
That's deep.
Yeah, like I said, just make sure when you come in, you just stay weight to the left side and wait to the left side of the rut. Keep going. There you go. Keep your weight that side.
Weight?
Yeah, weight that way. You're good. You're good. Go ahead. Go to your left.
Give it the bottom.
You got it, Chris? There we go. You got it? Yeah, buddy. Oh, he got it. He's good. You went from a grizzly cub to a grizzly bear to this weekend. Oh! I just wanted to wash my hands.
Okay. Calm that down.
Shit!
Quit washing your hands.
Shit! Shit! No, y'all go ahead.
How clean do your hands have to be?
Very clean. We're about to go eat, right?
That's right. Now, Carlos, please tell me we don't have to come back this way to get out.
Well, it is a turnaround up here. See, that's pro status. Look at that lens. Perfectly clean.
Damn.
And I fell down 7, 8 times. I mean, I was cleaning my hands. Damn, they got me out of breath. Holy shit. Just stretching. Stretch.